What are the most common combustible materials in fire prevention? Imagine a fire starting in a room and spreading rapidly. The key to stopping it is knowing what fuels it. Firefighters and safety experts focus on materials that catch fire easily and burn quickly. These are called combustible materials, and they play a big role in fire hazard assessment and prevention. Understanding which materials are most common helps us control fire risks better. Wood is one of the most familiar combustible materials. It is used everywhere from building frames to furniture. When exposed to heat or sparks, wood ignites easily and burns steadily. In industrial settings, sawdust and wood chips are especially dangerous because they have a large surface area, making them ignite faster. Paper and cardboard are everywhere in homes, offices, and factories. They ignite quickly and can cause fires to spread fast. A small spark can turn a stack of paper into a blazing fire in seconds. That's why keeping paper organized and away from heat sources is so important. Textiles and fabrics are also common combustible materials. Natural fibers like cotton and wool burn easily, but synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon can ignite even faster. Cloth, dust, or fibers can all contribute to fire growth if not managed properly. Plastics and synthetic materials are found in many household items and packaging. While some plastics are treated with flame retardants, they still pose a fire risk. When they burn, they release toxic gases, making fires involving plastics especially dangerous. Flammable liquids are another major concern. Gasoline, kerosene, diesel, paint thinner, and turpentine vaporize easily and ignite with a small spark. Proper storage in approved containers, away from heat, is essential to prevent accidents. Cooking oils and greases are common in kitchens and industrial kitchens. They can ignite quickly and cause intense fires. These are classified as Class K fires and requiring special extinguishing methods. Keeping cooking areas clean and monitoring heat levels helps prevent these fires. Coal and charcoal are used for heating and cooking. They can smolder for hours and sometimes ignite unexpectedly if stored improperly or if ventilation is poor. Proper storage and ventilation help reduce this risk. Trash and waste materials like paper scraps, wood shavings, and cloth waste are often overlooked but can be a fire hazard. Regular cleaning and waste management are simple ways to cut down on fire risks. Fire safety teams stress controlling these materials by minimizing their buildup, storing them away from heat or sparks, and keeping areas clean. Industrial facilities often use dust collection systems, spark detection devices, and fire barriers to prevent fires from starting or spreading. In fire hazard assessment, identifying these common combustible materials is vital. It helps determine where fire risks are highest and what controls are needed. Fire prevention strategies include proper storage, regular cleaning, and using fire-resistant barriers to limit fuel sources. By understanding what materials are most likely to ignite, we can better plan for fire safety. Firefighters relying on this knowledge to act quickly and prevent small issues from becoming large fires. Managing these combustible materials effectively saves lives and protects property from fire damage.